Catherine Chotan. My presentation is on Pluto. Who discovered Pluto? Clyde Tombaugh. He was a 24-year-old astronomer assistant. He discovered it on February 18, 1930 at the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. How did Pluto get its name? Venetia Burney, she was 11 years old. They were from London. She thought the name of the god of the underworld that was well suited for a place that was presumably cold and dark. She thought of the name. She told her grandfather, and her grandfather worked at a library, so he submitted the name, and the observatory liked it. The moons. The biggest one is the Charon. It is half the size of Pluto. It's unique because it keeps the same face toward the Charon. An example would be two people that are dancing around on a dance floor and they're face to face, moving about on the dance floor. That's what Pluto and the Charon do as it orbits. In addition to the Charon, there are also 4 other moons on Pluto. This is a diagram. The other 4 moons, as you can see, Pluto is here, the Charon is here, the Hydra, the Nix, the Styx, and the Kerberos. Hydra and Nix are actually 27,000 miles from Pluto. Characteristics. The diameter is 2,370 kilometers. The density is 1.9 grams per cubic centimeters. This suggests that Pluto is a mixture of rocky materials and water and ice. The surface is highly reflective. It has frozen methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. The temperature farthest from the moon, it has approximately negative 369 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's closest to the sun, it is negative 351. So, I don't think anything's living on Pluto. This information I got from the Bossier Parish Community College website, online, and some Pluto facts. The average distance from the sun is 39.5 astronomical units. Period by the stars is 248 years. What this means is that it takes 248 years for Pluto to orbit the sun. Earth takes 1. The orbit's tilt is 17 degrees. This means that sometimes when Pluto is orbiting, it is above the plane, and sometimes it is below the plane. How Pluto becomes a dwarf planet. On June 30th, 2006, the astronomers got together and came up with criteria, 3 rules that a planet needs to have in order to be a planet. And Pluto passed 2, but on the 3rd one, it did not. And the 3rd one was that it had to clear their neighborhood of all the other rubble, and Pluto could not. So they downgraded it to a dwarf planet. And Pluto joined 4 other dwarf planets, the Ceres, the Homa, the Makemake, and the Aries. My sources that I used, the Bossier Parish Community College source was, I used Astronomer. That was the online source through the college. I used 2 other books from the Webster Parish Library and an internet source of universetoday.com. Thank you.